Welcome back to the channel, family. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my sea moss gel for my family. We are using African Herbs Woman. She is a Black woman-owned apothecary headquartered in Detroit, Michigan, specializing in a variety of natural herbs for full body, mind, and spiritual wholeness. Let's get into this sea moss. So you'll notice the big crystal granules of salt from the sea. That's great. So we're going to go ahead and wash it. Make sure that it is clean before we make it into a gel. So let's wash it off. So the reason we use sea moss is because it's so rich in so many minerals. So I give it to everyone in my family, myself, my husband, and my baby. It is great to build gut health, immunity, thyroid function, which is key for metabolism and development. It is also a mucus buster. It's also antiviral, and we love that in this season. So that is why we use it. I literally try to put it in all of our smoothies and things like that. Anytime I can incorporate it, I do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add that cleaned sea moss into a pot and add some spring water. You can use whatever water you like. If you only have tap, that's fine. I just prefer to use spring water because I know that it is a little cleaner. I'll turn it on medium high, and bring it to a boil. That's it. So now that it's boiling, we want to check the consistency of our gel. And we're looking at it. It is thicker than when we put it in there. You see it's a little more pliable. It's bendy. It's not as stiff. That's what we want. The water is thick. It's not just water anymore. It is infused with the sea moss. That's what you want. Turn it down to low. Let it simmer. So of course I have to give y'all the magical properties of this herb. Irish moss or sea moss is typically found in Ireland, but also in the Caribbean on the Atlantic seacoast. Great for luck, for money, prosperity, and protection. I think because it grows so abundantly in the Caribbean that the ancestors there, they decided that it would be good for prosperity. It's always replenishing itself. It is vital. In Ireland, they actually used it during famine time to keep themselves alive. So, you know. Some others actually use it for juju, for safe travels. So if you think about it, it's giving Yemiya, it's giving Olokun, ruling over Cancer and Piscean energy, giving you great nurturer, great mother. It is a feminine herb. It's giving water spirits, which is very abundant, which is probably why it provides so many nutrients and so many vital minerals for our bodies, so we never lack in that area. Now that it is in a jelly form almost, we want to pour it into our blender. I'm using a NutriBullet. Pour it all in, water included, and we're just going to blend it up. We want to blend it all the way up until it's all liquid, okay? It will harden into a gel, so don't worry about that. But you want this consistency here. bottle this up. I'm using a reused tomato paste jar. Any jar will do, anything that keeps it fresh. And just pour it on in there, and we're gonna let it cool down before we close it up and put it in the fridge. And that's it. That is all. Anytime I make sea moss, I always have this leftover sea moss in the cup that I used. So I just like to go ahead and make me a smoothie while I'm at it, so I don't waste any sea moss, because who be wasting sea moss? We ain't doing that. So we're gonna go ahead and add some fruit, frozen fruit in there, a little bit of juice, a little bit of sugar, and that's it. So blend it on up.
Get on the track,
Baby loves it. I do give sea moss to the baby. It's great for everything, literally everything. That's it. Thank y'all for watching the video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and get you some herbs. Get you some sea moss from AfterHerbsWoman.com. I'll leave the information in the description box. Peace.
track.